I first started my natural hair 2 years ago. Yeah, I used to have relaxed permed hair, and so my hair was straight, but I decided to transition to my natural curls and then apply and reduce the amount of chemicals that I use in my hair. But after some time I miss the straight hair, but I don't want to lose my curl forever, so I found out about this treatment called the keratin treatment. So this is the keratin treatment kit I found on Amazon. It's called the Kit Brazilian Keratin, and it's for all types of hair. So in this box we have the deep cleansing shampoo, Brazilian Keratin Supreme, and then argan oil. So the cleansing shampoo is supposed to strip your hair of residual products and then also keep your hair available for the application of the keratin. So after applying the keratin, then you apply the argan oil, but I'm going to read exactly what is here. So it says to apply the Keratin Supreme shampoo into wet hair, massaging gently to get an abundant lather, wash the hair and then apply the treatment. So basically that's it. But however, you're supposed to rinse and dry for 80 to 80% and then apply the keratin treatment, leave for about 40 minutes depending on the straightening that you desire, and then rinse away in running water and then dry off 50% and then blow dry the hair, and then you split the hair in 4 parts, after which you apply a flat iron starting from the neck, and then you repeat at least 7 times, and then you style your hair as you desire. But you're supposed to use the hair dryer, a blow dryer, to dry the hair. You shouldn't let your hair dry naturally. So I'm going to go through these steps and then see what will happen at the end. I can't wait to see my hair straighten. So this is my freshly washed hair, and I'm to dry it to 80% using the hair dryer. I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections to make it easy to manipulate. So I'm going to start by blow drying this section. I'm using the dry air to just I was trying to use the round comb, but it's a little difficult, so I'm using my hand. Just stretching out my hair. Yeah, this is, I guess this is 80% dry. I don't know how they expect us to know what 80% dry is, but well, so this is the last batch of hair, and then I'm tired to connect that. And then the next thing, okay, so the kit came with gloves, disposable gloves. So I'm supposed to apply the keratin reconstructor and leave for about 40 minutes depending on the straightening I like. I actually want my hair to be quite straight so that as I wash it in time, because I know that it's a way of it, better to get it very straight, as straight as I can. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to apply the keratin treatment. I'm going to pour it into this bowl, and then it's not coming out. So I guess it's like kind of like a conditioner, a deep conditioner. It looks like a deep conditioner. I'm going to use my hand because it's supposed to be an easy to use kit. So I think maybe that's why you just need to use your hands. So fix my hand into this. Okay. So I'm going to start with this part of the hair, and then I'm going to apply the keratin treatment. So but it actually smells nice. And this kit has no formaldehyde in it, so it's generally safe. I'm going to use the comb to pass it through my hair so it will be evenly distributed. One hour, because we are supposed to leave it in for 40 minutes, but I want my hair to be straight, and I know my hair is very curly, so I kept it in for an hour. So this is my hair after an hour. Yeah, so I'm going to wash it. The next step is to wash the hair with just water, running water, and then dry off 50% and then blow dry. So I'm going to do that again. This is my hair after washing out the keratin treatment. My hair feels lighter, fluffier. Wow. Oh. Wow. My curls look more defined.